the next modifier tutorials on the agenda. Let's check how twist modifier is working today. Pick an object in your workspace with which you are going to work. Now you can see that the segments were added to the object. Note that if you don't add enough segments to your object, the twist deformation won't work properly. The more segments the object has, the better results of object deformation we will get. With the needed object selected, choose Twist from the Modify drop-down tab. This deformation allows you to twist the object along the selected axis. 3 guides, the X, Y, Z, are added to the object. You can twist the object in the coordinate plane using the guides. Choose the right guide with a mouse cursor, and like in the Rotate tool, the degree measure of the angle is added to the object. By dragging the mouse cursor, the object will be deformed along the selected axis. Once again, remember that this deformation won't be working on the object which doesn't have a segmented mesh. Now let's see what we have in the settings panel of this tool. The second way of twisting the object is by putting a numeric value in the input fields of one of the coordinate axes. The repeat function, as usual, allows you to perform the last action again. There's also a tab with advanced settings available. The origin allows you to move the anchor point of this tool to the needed level and position. The manual gizmo position enables you to move the anchor point to any place in the workspace by using the mouse cursor. And to finalize the action, press Cancel in the Settings panel of the Twist tool. Now, I'd like you to continue the torch creation, which we started modeling in the previous lesson, but using twist deformation this time. Choose the flame and use the twist deformation along the coordinate y-axis. And remember, the more you practice, the more professional you become.